is he doing? Jeffrey?
What?
What are you doing?
Getting rid of some broken chairs.
What do you mean broken chairs?
Your sister texted me and said not to let anybody sit on her chairs because Joe broke them. So that one had a big ass print right here, which was busted, and this one's got a big chunk out. Look. So
what did you do? You just get cooked. We couldn't have like glued them or something?
no, what are you going
Now
to do?
we're down to 4 chairs.
Four chairs, I know.
You know, they're not cheap,
I know it's not cheap.
but you're totally
But if
destroying.
nobody has consideration for our stuff,
But
you know,
you're
and bought 2
totally
chairs,
destroying them. We could do something.
great.
See?
Why?
You're not supposed to be doing that.
Why? I got to get them in the dumpster. But again, lucky enough, Jackie did let us know, so somebody didn't sit it. What if somebody sat in and it broke? And then it's our liability. But again,
And Joe broke both of these chairs.
Joe broke both of them per Jackie. Sat down on one and then he kicked it or busted the other one. I don't know why he would do that. Take crap too far.
Well, we're gonna have to get. Do you think maybe the dry rotted or something?
I don't think PVC dry rots. It could get oxidized or something, but not dry rotted. But we got people that stop by a lot and go in the pool, and then what if they got hurt?
Somebody should have said something to us before this.
Yeah, when it happened, why wouldn't you admit it?
I don't know.
Yeah, then.
Maybe it wasn't that bad. I didn't.
What do you mean it wasn't that bad? It doesn't matter. When PVC gets cracks or busts in it, somebody sits on it, put them, they're all over. You got my parents, still pop in. You got, any older people, hell, even our age.
Well, I'm sure he didn't mean it.
Do we know that?
No, we don't know it. But how does
Right.
how does
I'm not
Jackie
gonna
know?
make that
And why
up.
is Jackie telling us what? Like,
I guess
how do we
for our
know
own
that's the
benefit.
truth?
But they had little shards of PVC over here. So if that gets in a pool liner, that's going to screw the whole liner up. Little rips. But again, nobody gives a shit about us. It's just, have fun, do whatever you want. Yeah. Now, we'll just pack these things in the dumpster. And then probably dumpster will give a shit about throwing these things in there. But what am I supposed to do?
Why something like this isn't supposed to go in the
no
trash
idea.
thing?
But no, like I said, I got to get rid of them because I can't leave them out.
Well, I
We
don't
got 2 extra cushions.
I don't think that's all going to fit, Jeff.
I'll get it in there. If I have to bust it up more, I'll get it. Either way. John,
Luna, what are you doing?
there's a calico cat
Where?
underneath the old Miata there that John has a fascination with. If you bring the camera, you can see where I guess it's living under there. But Johnny and Tuna chased it out yesterday. Now John can't let up on it. He's got to get in, trying to get his head under there. Right here.
What are you going to do with this Miata anyway?
I don't know. Put it out front for sale.
Huh?
I don't know. Put it out front for sale. Anybody wants it? I don't know. But look, come over here. This is where the cat's going in and out. And see, look, he is driving me crazy. John, move. John, move.
Oh, it's probably under there right now
Yeah,
then.
see where it climbs in there and it climbs there.
Oh, hon,
What?
you're going to have kittens in there.
No, it won't. I'll call the animal control people again. They got to do that anyway because there's a whole new litter or brood, whatever you want to call it, of kittens coming from the neighbors now. There's like, that little black one, there's an orange one, and then where this calicos just don't pop up. And that's living out, and it has a stinking collar on it too.
Well, I think we need...
Again, nobody gives a shit about their neighbors or people.
All right, are we going to get happy?
I am happy.
You are?
Yeah, I'm happy when I'm pissed off at something. Makes me feel better.
Well, maybe we need to do... Well, no, because you know what? You keep doing things, and this is what happens. Right?
What? Now it's my fault?
No, I'm not saying it's your fault.
No. Well, you said we keep doing things, and then And then, you know, this happens.
Well, they do something, then we do something. But I don't even know why would they be at the pool, and
Right.
why would they be, you know, breaking our stuff and not telling us?
But we do innocent shit. We sit there and damage property.
Hey, is the windshield all cracked on that?
Yeah, remember Jesse threw that radio or something through the middle of it?
Yeah, that cover has seen better days too.
Yeah. But I mean, all in all, it's not too bad.
John, stay away from there. You're going to get ticks.
Motor's still
John.
It's got good fenders on it. The windshield needs to be replaced. The cross member needs to be replaced.
So it's not worth fixing?
I'm not fixing it. Not for a $2,000 car would I fix that, you know. It was good in the, excuse me, it was good in the day.
Well, maybe we should give it to somebody who like really wants to work on it, who has money to put into it.
I'm fine with that. They'd have to come get the damn thing because I'm not hauling it anywhere to them.
Right.
We got a title for it.
Wait, the babies. Look at the babies. See the wounds.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Yeah, Johnny Wani. Yes. Do the tuna want to go swimming today? Yes.
So what was the reasoning for videoing it?
Huh?
So what was, you wanted to see me spaz on it or what?
No, I looked out the back window, the back doors, and I saw you throwing it, breaking and throwing it.
Oh.
So I was like, why are you doing that?
Well, I figure I'd get it done before you even see me, but that wasn't a luxury, I guess.
So what are you doing
Is the
now?
beast kind of clean looking? Look at that. Don't look at the cover because I just unfolded that. I should have washed it with it on it, but washed and waxed it. No, it's just like the hood insulation for this car, which pisses me off, only because I ordered this how many months ago for this upcoming car season, because this is, I think, the original. It's kind of dark in here, but you can see it. And I ordered it from the GTO parts store, and it's been 2 months. It says back ordered.
Oh, the thing that goes up
Yeah,
here?
this is the insulation, the hood insulation.
Yeah, look at that. That's
yeah, it's ratty.
horrible.
But I think it's damn
What
near
is it,
original.
like a jute?
It's probably asbestos.
Oh, it's like a foam. It is like a foam, but
Right.
it's like a, very fibrous.
Right. So either way, I ordered it like 2 months ago, and I keep getting notifications, oh, it's back ordered. Is it because of COVID everything's back ordered, or is it just...
Well, is it coming from somewhere in the United States, or?
Yeah, it was all United States parts. It was remanufactured. So I would think why it would be back ordered, but it is what it is. That's why I haven't taken, I only took it out once really to any shows this year, and then that was a bust because it rained.
Yeah, because that kind of takes away
Right.
from,
And then they had the ones that had
the pretty-
GTO embossed in it, but I didn't look at that because I wanted to keep it original looking. So I got that.
so what is
and
this,
new
just
clips.
going to be a black,
No, it's actually going to be what this originally looked like. It's like a grayish insulation.
Oh.
And then it'll have new clips. I think there's like 16 different clips you can see there here, which will all pop out. And then once I get that, then we're pretty good. And then what I want to do next is I ordered shocks, new shocks, because these are original shocks, so you get a lot of bounce going down the road. Anybody that has old cars knows that you got to have good shocks on here. So that's what I got.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Clean as a whistle, though. A little dust on the back.
Right.
So what's the plan for today?
I guess a pool day with, there's enough
two left chairs.
Yeah, I know.
I should check.
I should laugh because it's really not funny.
It isn't funny, but you got to laugh about it because.
Did you check all the other ones?
That's what I said. I got to go check them just to make sure they're not busted. Even though the cushions are like kind of faded, but still, the chairs weren't broke and they were in good shape. Right, Tuna?
Well, I'm sure they were just, I'm sure there's probably dry rotted. They've been out in the sun for, what, 3-4 seasons now. So they're probably,
What, the cushions?
No, not
Or
the
they-
cushions,
You coming in?
well, yeah, I'm trying to keep you in
Oh,
frame though.
Oh, Tuna's swimming.
Aw, Tuna! Look at Tuna! Don't drink the water.
Okay. Well, these look, like I said, they're a little oxidized, but they're in good. There's no cracks in them. It's just the two end ones.
So when it oxidizes, that weakens it?
I guess, I don't know. Well, you get that discoloration of the PVC. That's what I figured.
Well, I'm sure Joe didn't mean it.
I understand, but one chair I can understand. Two I can't. What the hell was that? Maybe the
I
farmers
think
are
it's
out
just
there.
the wind.
You know what I mean? I don't know. I just... Maybe he didn't mean it. I don't know, but I just don't believe it. All right?
Noon tuna. Does that feel good? Does that feel good? Oh, don't do that.